I was born into a Muslim family. My household was Muslim, and that's all I knew. That's all I followed. But one day my dad came home and he decided that we were no longer Muslims. In fact, he told us that he was now a Christian. That flipped our whole world upside down. My dad gave me a choice. He said, faith is a personal thing. It is a choice you make. And I ran away from it. This is not the God I wanted to follow. I didn't know this God. But the problem was, just because I wasn't asking the questions or searching didn't mean that the questions that I had about God didn't go away. In fact, they would resurface. Maybe you felt that way as well. Maybe like me, you just weren't asking the right questions. Questions like, God, if you are real, reveal yourself to me. I think asking questions is great. The thing is, have you been asking the right questions?